This is the Anko RGB microphone, and while it might not look like much, because it isn't, it was $15 from Kmart. It's on special from $50 at the moment. As you can see, it has RGB, has tilt of up to about 45 degrees in either direction, front and back. It comes with USB-C, a headphone jack output, and volume controls so you can monitor your audio. Has touch control for the lighting, a mute button, as well as a volume knob with lights to show the level of the microphone. Overall, the build quality is pretty ordinary. It's very plasticky, and you can hear it making a lot of noise as you move it back and forth. The grill part is metal, but I would assume it's probably aluminium, and the bass just feels very hollow. Now we're going to do a bit of an audio test with this just to see what it sounds like compared to the microphone that I'm currently using. I'll hold it about this far away from my mouth and start talking into it. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Now I'm actually using this really close to my face. Realistically, since it's sort of set up to be sat on a desk, it's gonna be a lot further away. So we'll also try that at a further distance. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. As you can sort of hear, the audio is not the best quality on this one. A little bit of electronical buzzing and some background noise is being picked up, but also it's missing the starts and ends of my sentences. That's because it has inbuilt active noise reduction, but in practice, this doesn't work very well. I think what I really want to do is pull this apart and see what the insides of it are like, and then we might be able to get a better understanding of how this works. And we can see the inside of the microphone itself is actually super basic. There's a tiny diaphragm in the middle and just a couple of LED lights as well. There's not a whole lot of logic going on here. As you can tell, the microphone's not that good. For $15, you can kind of get away with it, but for what it usually sells at for $50, it's just really not worth it. Instead of picking this one up, I'd really recommend picking up this microphone from Kmart, which was $39.